like we always do about this time.
To the foe, easy motherfucking E with the chrome to your dome. Cruising in my 6'4" rag top. I got a lot of juice, a lot of fucking block. Now when I hit that switch, I'm bouncing. More bounce to the ounce and I'm clowning. Keep the gat in my lap cause I'm fully strapped for the carjackers. But no haps cause I pack a Tech 9 plus a AK-47. Send the one-way ticket to my hell or maybe heaven. Peep, nigga, I don't sleep. Bury motherfuckers in the concrete. You try to creep kinda slow in the Astro, but I peep you niggas out in my left window. So I blast and I blast, so I blast no more. Yo, they call a motherfucker John Doe. Oh nigga, E still cruising, cruising down the street in my 6'4". Oh nigga, E still cruising, cruising down the street in my 6'4". Oh nigga, E still cruising, cruising down the street in my 6'4". Oh nigga, E still cruising, cruising down the street.
1, 2, 3 into the 4. Pumps in the trunk of that cherry red 6'4". I'm riding with the ghost of Easy, hopping and leaning. He watching for demons, nigga. If you try me, then I'm cocking the Nina. Banging Lucifer to give me a reason to have 100,000 cash brought down to the precinct. I'ma make bail money. This rap shit is a monopoly, and I got property. That's get out of jail money. Nigga, I came from poverty. Shootouts, gang banging, and robberies. Carjacking, snatch a modest Impala. Do that with or without the on the side of me, hop out the ride and empty the 4-5 into his body. I'm not to be fucked with, whether I'm straight out of Compton or straight out of Cashville on that young buck shit. Terrorizing who kid 24/7 till one of you niggas put me with Easy in heaven.